Is the electric vehicle revolution stalling or just shifting gears? Today, we look at how the world's biggest automakers are rewriting the supply chain through radically new concept cars. At the Japan Mobility Show, Toyota unveiled the Corolla concept and the ultra-luxury Century. Rather than a pure EV pivot, Toyota's multi-pathway strategy supports BEV, hybrid, and traditional engines on a single flexible platform.
What you see behind me is the Toyota Century, the original one, which was made to celebrate 100 years of Toyota setting up their Loom factory. And it was meant to be the ultimate luxury car from Japan to compete with the likes of the Rolls-Royces and the Bentleys of the world.
This is a massive hedge for the supply chain, mitigating raw material bottlenecks tied to pure battery production. Meanwhile, Volkswagen is pushing the €28,000 ID cross concept to European streets by autumn 2026. By utilizing localized European manufacturing and flexible battery architectures, VW is demonstrating mass market scalability. In the premium sector, Mercedes-Benz is moving toward hyper-efficiency with the concept AMG GT XX. The integration of 800-volt architectures and direct cell cooling sets a new benchmark. This dictates a rapid industry shift toward high-voltage wiring and biotechnology-based cabin materials like lab fiber.
So what does AMG really stand for? What is our brand promise? It's simple driving performance. AMG is not only rational. Buying an AMG has always been a very emotional decision. And of course, driving an AMG makes you feel alive. That's what our customers expect from us. And even as the industry changes, we stay true to that promise, because driving performance is more than just a slogan to us. It's who we are.
This forces a lucrative disruption in the supply chain for advanced liquid cooling and specialized electromagnetic component manufacturers. According to Next Move Strategy Consulting Analysis, the global concept car market is accelerating. The market is projected to grow, hitting an impressive $70.55 billion by 2030. This represents a steady CAGR of 6.5%. Regionally, APAC is the undisputed leader in concept execution. Excluding China, the broader region just surged past 1 million electric units produced. In India, domestic OEMs are aggressively scaling, accounting for over 80% of local production, making APAC the premier launchpad for high-volume realities. Meanwhile, North America is experiencing fragmented growth heavily reliant on nearshoring. As U.S. production contracts slightly, output in Mexico has practically doubled. For investors, North America is a transitional environment. Capital is flowing toward cross-border manufacturing and localized battery plants to bypass severe logistical bottlenecks. Read the full report at Next Move Strategy Consulting, link in the description. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more market intelligence.